Hey everyone, my name is Arhan from Social Science Simplified. Today, Thomas and I are going to be giving you guys the secrets to start the 2020 school year right.
When we first heard that our school is going to be all online this year, we were like,
oh my god!
But after watching this video, you're going to be more like,
oh my god! Wow!
Before we start, we just wanted to tell you guys, we made an Instagram. It's plugged right here. So make sure you guys follow us for some behind the scenes and a peek into our personal lives.
So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing to talk about is your setup. It's important to have a proper table and chairs in your work environment, but also make sure that you're comfortable and in an environment that works for you. If you like having a glass of water with you, get that glass of water. If you think milk is good, get that milk. And if you think Patagonia hats make you better at math, then wear that Patagonia hat. But with that said, working on a couch or a bed is not the right answer, despite how tempting it may be, because it just kills both your focus and your back. And while you don't have to spend thousands of dollars, invest in some sort of desk setup. Trust us, it's worth it.
Tip number 2 is stay engaged. Whether your school is using Zoom or some other video conferencing software, it's super easy to get distracted. So do these 2 things to keep engaged. First, keep your camera on. It shows your teacher that you're ready to learn and it prevents you from doing other distracting things. Second, don't pull up any other tabs when you're on a Zoom class unless your teacher asks you for academic purposes. When you open another tab, it's so easy to pull up some games and just start playing during class.
I'm a gamer.
So, if you don't pull up another tab and you keep your camera on, you should stay engaged all throughout class.
Tip number 3 is about note-taking. If you're taking notes on paper and that's what works for you, like me, then stick with it. But if you're more like Arhan and are into taking notes electronically, here's something that can save you. If you download a note-taking app like Microsoft OneNote, Evernote, or even Notability, they compile your notes for you, and they can even keep everything organized. In an ideal world, you would take notes on a tablet with a stylus, because that way everything stays organized and you don't lose the feeling of actually writing notes instead of typing them.
Tip number 4 is about staying sane. Now trust me, when I have so much homework and I'm overwhelmed with work, sometimes I just want to
take all my homework, put it in a room full of TNT, and light the fuse.
But here are some things that can help you stay sane. First, drink plenty of water and take a lot of breaks during the day. No one wants to go on walks with their parents. It's super embarrassing, but there are some things you can do to get exercise. Just run around the house, get up from your seat and walk around.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
These things will make sure that you're not sitting at a desk all day.
Our last tip is about screen time. We all know that phones and computers have blue light, which is super harmful to both your eyes and your brain. And especially when you're on your computer for 7 hours a day or more, it can be super harmful. So we have 2 strategies to help combat this. First is to change your computer's display to have more warm colors. These are way easier for your brain and eyes to adjust to, and it can really help prevent headaches. Or second, get a pair of blue light glasses. You can find these on Amazon or other internet sellers, and they're super effective at filtering out that blue light so that your eyes can adjust and you don't get all these harmful consequences.
Thank you so much. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We really need the subs. And that's it for this one. We'll see you guys in the next video.